Alright folks, here it is. What you doing? We'll go right here. You use the spatula. I'm gonna put this in here. Are you watching, Maddie?
Yeah.
You want to get a bean right there on the end over there. And by the way, folks, we had to let this cool off because you don't want it to just singe into the... So there you go. You don't... Oh, what are you eating? The meat and beans? You know we're going to have dinner.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. They put some cheese over it. Lovely cheese. Alright, here's how you do it, folks. Alright, you watching?
Yeah.
I'm talking to the audience. Alright, you're gonna roll it over this way, tuck it back. I like to move that stuff back in there and get it tight. And then come forward, put a little bit of water on the end, it'll paste it up. Some people use egg whites, egg yellers, I guess. Is it the yellers? I don't know, ask Booger. Alright, so here's her bad jobs. This is how it went. It got better. This is mine. And then better. And then awesome. Alright, we're going to do a couple more. I'm going to make one more. Are you in the way of my camera?
No.
I'm going to make one more because you never know. Little Billy might be out there and he's going, Papa, show me one more time. You know who Little Billy is?
No.
Yeah. Little Billy, Strong's Adventures. He's gonna get on to me for that. Alright. He's on one of my shirts. I got yours and my shirt on today. We've been all over town. Me wearing this thing. Alright. And that is how you roll an egg roll. It's awesome, people. Yeah.